And this, I actually have a video that this similar case happened to me about 4 years ago. Same La Pryor PD.
Okay.
I had about, I want to say about 5 patrols. I'm talking about La Pryor PD, and then I had Border Patrol. And I mean, I had all kinds of units just because my car was, my other vehicle was breaking down.
Okay.
And I told him honestly, I said, man, I think that's an exaggeration of what you guys are doing just to help a guy out, you know.
Welcome back to Audit the Law. Today's video comes to you from this channel. Do me a favor and go subscribe to their channel and show him your support. It's important that I show you this video today because it highlights the topic of serving and protecting. This video is proof that cops are not here to serve and protect us. They are not here to help their communities like many still think they are. This misconstrued narrative that they make our communities a better place for everyone has kept many departments from facing any real accountability whenever they're caught doing something wrong. You can tell by the officer's demeanor in this video that he isn't there to help like he says he is. Instead, he mocks the driver for being nervous. The driver who is having car problems and just wants to get his family home without being harassed by the police. While there are cops out there who are committed to policing with integrity, it is videos like this that only create more distrust between folks and their local police departments. And this is why we must audit the law. So let's check out these interactions and let me know your thoughts below in the comment section.
Yeah, I was on a single lane. Ain't no double lane until I get cart. So like earlier before I left the gas station,
Stop the, you know where we're at here, right?
What do you mean?
Do you know where we're at here?
In the middle of the highway.
You don't know why? You can record me all you want. Because,
No, that's fine.
Record me, record
That's
me
fine.
here.
But like I'm saying, before I left the gas station, I recorded a video saying that I was gonna get pulled over
Why?
because I knew you were gonna pull me over.
So you
knew what you were doing when you pulled up behind him or next to him.
So then you got nervous and you pulled in here.
No,
and so
I'm not
you turned
nervous.
around.
No, I'm not nervous.
No.
I just already knew off the bat you were gonna pull me over.
Why?
Because I seen you come out when I came up to the stop sign, and then I pull up into the store, put $20 worth of gas, which you're saying that I didn't,
Okay.
and he's saying that I didn't,
Okay.
and I know that I did, and I can prove it to you by going back into the store.
Well, my question is why you're nervous.
I'm not nervous. I'm not nervous.
If
You keep
see
on
yourself-
saying,
if you see yourself in the mirror, you're shaking, your mouth.
like I
is shaking.
said, I'm nervous because I don't know if I'm going to be able to get my family to my home,
Okay.
and I need to be at work tomorrow. And if that happens, who's going to help me out? Are you going to take me home?
No, but I can actually try to find you some help.
That's what I'm saying, though. I mean, how much is that going to cost me? I don't have the money to pay for something like that. That's what I'm saying. I mean, that's my whole situation, you know.
Yeah,
and I have a baby in there.
You getting confrontational?
I'm not getting confrontational, sir. You asked me. You're asking me for an ID when I don't need to identify myself when I haven't broken any laws. Huh?
Yeah, you don't need to identify.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. And then that's when you started about me being all nervous, and I'm not
I ask you
nervous.
simple questions, and
You know, and I'm just answering your simple questions with simple
You get
answers.
irate, and the normal person does not act that way.
Well, I don't know what normal. Like I said, I don't know what normal is. What your expectation of a normal person is.
You've had bad experiences with any other.
I haven't had no bad experience with law enforcement.
Very odd that you get irate. You're nervous. You're automatically already thinking that I'm going to pull you over.
No, I knew you were going to pull me over.
Start recording me. That's just kind of.
You know how many videos I have of this happening?
All the videos. It doesn't bother me.
Yeah,
It
it's
doesn't
been
bother
like,
me you
and this.
teaching me.
I actually have a video that this similar case happened to me about 4 years ago. Same La Pryor PD.
Okay.
I had about, I want to say about 5 patrols. I'm talking about La Pryor PD, and then I had Border Patrol, and I mean I had all kinds of units just because my car was my other vehicle was breaking down. And I told him honestly, I said, man, I think that's an exaggeration of what you guys are doing just to help a guy out, you know. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's more important things out there to do than just be, you know. And, you know, that's what it is. Like I said,
less important than the other.
you know, that's all I'm saying. But like I said, I'm nervous because I need to figure out a way if this car continues to do what it's doing.
So if you break down in the middle of a black road, you with your family.
Well, I got my tools.
Is that better than us, actually being around?
Well, that's what I'm saying. I got my tools. I'm a mechanic, so that's why I was looking at what I was looking underneath the hood. I mean, I'm just not looking just to look. Like I told you, I disconnected the mass airflow sensor, which is one of the symptoms that it does that. Now, I told you it could be a vacuum leak, and I heard the vacuum leak. I just can't place it where it's at. Obviously, the whole motor's too hot for me to try to place my hand anywhere from the EGR valve to anywhere underneath that.
So how come you could have maybe turned it off and just let it rest for a little bit?
Yeah, it's been running for about an hour.
It's more light there than it is down here.
Yeah, but like I said, if it does break out, I want to make sure that it's going to happen even closer to where I can call a friend of mine or a cousin of mine or a family.
From here to Batesville ain't nothing. In Batesville, there's nothing.
Yeah, oh no, I've been up and down this highway for about 10 years, so I know how far Batesville is, and I'm just trying to say the closer I get to home, the better it is for me.
You got a long ways, man.
Yeah, it is a long ways, but I'm gonna go ahead and continue though, sir.
Yeah,
I sure appreciate you stopping and you know your concern. Yeah, oh yeah, definitely.
The next video is the prior interaction that he had talked about. This interaction happened 4 years before. Pay close attention to how these officers viewed people filming their police interactions just 4 years ago. This is proof that filming your interactions does make a change, and it protects your word against theirs if it ever has to go to court. Let's watch as a similar situation with the same exact department occurs.
My hard hat, dirty boots, dirty clothes, and these two young fellas over here.
You know, you don't have my permission to videotape.
I'm not doing nothing wrong, sir.
I'm not videotaping you. Don't videotape me.
I'm not doing nothing wrong, officer.
I'm telling you, don't videotape.
Am I doing something wrong?
Right.
Is it against the law? I have the right to do. I have the right to do it too, sir.
Don't have my permission.
There's nothing wrong with me doing it.
I'm just telling you, I just want my stop. Don't videotape me.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. I'm not going to stop, sir. I'm not doing nothing wrong. Am I doing something wrong? I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Videotape me.
I'm just, is that doing it wrong? Am I doing something wrong about that? How is that illegal?
What's up with you?
How is that illegal, officer?
What?
Did you just see that? Did y'all guys just see that? Going live right now on Facebook. So please, if y'all are seeing this, please share it. Please share it. Like I said, Zavala County, between Eagle Pass and La Pryor. Just trying to get home to my family. And it seems like there's something wrong with my truck. I don't know what it is, but we're here waiting to see what's gonna happen. We're here waiting. Like I said, I didn't have nothing. I was just waiting. The officer kept on asking me information, personal information. What's my name? What's my dad's name? They also asked me about my dad's name. And so I finally I got tired of it. I told him, you know what, here's my driver license. Go ahead and run it so that he can be happy about it. So that he can know that I've never been arrested before, never been to jail. Because he also asked me that too. And like I said, now he's saying that I can't record these guys. I don't know why.
Although the clear disdain for filming has changed across departments, it hasn't completely vanished. We must continue to film officers on the job, not only on your own traffic stops, but on other traffic stops as well. Filming traffic stops is a public service, and you could be protecting someone from having their freedoms stripped from them. Again, be sure to subscribe to the original channel. I'll leave the links below in the comment section as well as in the description. Thank you for watching Audit the Law.